Hey Songbird, it's Kerri from the songbird.com where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today I am super excited to bring you a lesson on the best vowel shapes for belting. Now, if you really want to develop your confidence to perform in front of people, even if you think you're just a shower singer or a belter in the car, I encourage you, go to the link below and sign up to get my free 7 singing hacks. You're really going to love it and it's going to give you the confidence to sing in front of others. All right, on to the lesson. In general, there are 2 main types of vowels. There's your open, wide vowels, a, e, and there's your closed and narrow vowels, I, o, u. Now, when it comes to belting, we want to use the open, wide vowels. So, a, as in the word jar, a, as in the word hat, and e, as in the word pet. Now here's a couple of exercises that you can actually practice to develop these vowels and therefore help you make the optimal belt sound. So we're going to start with a na, 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 and you're going to sing this as if you are scolding someone, like this. Na, 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 na. Now as you can see, the way that I am positioning my mouth is open wide. My tongue is down and relaxed. Now you can practice the same exercise on a na, like this. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Or also on a e sound on the ne. Ne, 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 ne. Ne, 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 ne. Ne, 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 ne. Okay, now this next exercise is one of my all-time favorites for practicing best vowel shapes for belting. And this is what I call the damn cat. So what you need to do is actually imagine that you've got a very annoying cat that's just like getting in your way. You know, you're trying to get some work done or you're trying to cook dinner or something and it's just climbing on the bench and getting in your way and you're getting super frustrated. It goes like this. Damn cat! Key number 2, what happens when there is a diphthong? In other words, when there are 2 vowels present in a syllable or a word. I'll give you an example. In the word hey. Now when you listen to that initially, what do you think the vowel is? Hey. Now listen carefully, there's actually more than one vowel. Hey. All right, it actually starts on a sort of more of a or a e kind of sound, and then it moves into an e. So what we need to do in this kind of situation is we want to stay as open for as long as possible on the open wide vowel, the a, right? And then you want to just quickly clip off on the end on the narrow vowel. I'll show you what I mean. So, for example, if we were singing hey on this, right, instead of going hey, you know, and closing it off, that's not conducive to great belting. I'm going to try now to stay as open for as long as possible on the a, okay, like this. Hey, hey, hey. You see what I mean? Now before you go Songbird, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also, please put in the comments below, what's a light bulb moment that you got from watching this video? I would love to know. Now don't forget to download my free 7 singing hacks just at the link below. And know that I am always believing in you. See you next time.